let me tell you something. Most people think fitness is just about a physical appearance, or just weights in a gym, or just building muscle, or just how you look. But fitness is so much more. It's about learning to have passion, to look good, to feel good, and to be healthy. And that way you'll shape your body and your mindset. Learning how to have discipline, that you can apply that and show up in your everyday life. In my life, I'll tell you, yes, I lift weights. And yes, I lift my Bible too. And both keep me strong. Because one builds my muscle and the other one builds my faith. Over time, the gym taught me how to be consistent, but my faith taught me to never give up and to never quit. The Bible tells us in 1 Corinthians 9 verse 27, I discipline my body and bring it under control. And I think that's so important in the time that we live in, because that's faith and fitness walking hand in hand. It helps you to build character and obedience in your life. And in my opinion, that's the life that I want to live. So guys, I'm sharing this with you. Live a life with fitness and faith, walking hand in hand. Have a wonderful evening. Lots of blessings to everyone. And I'll probably catch up with you guys again tomorrow.